Join me in learning how to make mango salsa. Here is the list of ingredients and the things you'll need. In the blender, combine the following: ripe mangoes chopped, diced tomatoes without the seeds, chopped shallots or red onions, chopped jalapeño peppers, minced garlic, and finely chopped cilantro. Pour the extra virgin olive oil, squeeze some lime juice. If you ask for help, make sure they don't cover the camera and do this. Blend to your desired consistency if you want it smooth or chunky. Oops, I forgot the salt and pepper, so I'm adding them now. Continue to pulse or puree the ingredients. Stop at any time to push the ingredients to the bottom. Then continue to blend until your preferred consistency is achieved. Then pour the mango salsa into a bowl. There you have it, my mango salsa. Tastes best if consumed within 24 hours of being made. Store in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 5 days. Enjoy!